indicates that those numbers are likely to be on the low side, with fatalities related to sleeping drivers possibly reaching as high as 6,000 per year. Another report backs that last part up, with the National Safety Council estimating 5,000 car crash fatalities coming as a result of sleeping drivers in 2015. Interestingly, the NSC found that the majority of these crashes involve drivers aged 25 or younger. The signs that you're becoming a drowsy driver are pretty obvious, from things like drifting in your lane to yawning to beginning to nod off. If you feel any of these symptoms coming on, do everyone a favor and pull over. Those places on the side of the highways, they're called rest stops for a reason. Number 2. You may actually murder someone while sleepwalking. It's like something straight out of an old Law & Order episode. Someone has committed a murder, and much to Jack McCoy's shock, the defendant's counsel has invoked the sleepwalking defense. Amazingly, it's a defense that's been used multiple times in criminal cases, including several murder cases. Now, given the fact that people who claim the sleepwalking defense
nod off, nod off, nod off.